Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I've been filming today. I had a huge Sephora haul, and that video is already up, so you can go check on it. But I got 3 of the Sephora favorite packages, and I'm sharing these individually. The first 2 I just videoed, and this is the last one. But anyway, so we're sharing this today. So let's just get started and see what's in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. All those things I appreciate, so thank you for that. And so here we go. This one is the Clean Me Up kit. And the last 2 I did were really wonderful. In fact, I loved them both, so I was happy with my purchase. This one, they usually run anywhere from like $48 to $52. I've noticed is kind of the price range on when they get these kits. But this one right here is $50. I paid $50, and I think there's only 3 full size in this one. The last one I got had 4 full size, so that was kind of fun. So anyway, let's just open it up and see what we got in here. And I'm probably going to share these videos like every day this week, just to, I want you to know I buy these not just for, I usually buy them because, you know, I like them and I like the products in here, but I do it also for you, so I can share with you what's in here. So I don't know, it's one of those things where, oh, you might look at it and go, oh, I don't need that, or you might see it and think, okay, it's worth it, I want to buy that. Or there might be individual products in here that I share that you're like, I've got to have that. So anyway, that's kind of why I do this. I have so much makeup and products that I don't absolutely need it, but I like to share with you, and because I like makeup, it's just fun. It's so fun. I just love beauty and makeup, and so it gives me a chance to try new things. So here we go. And I think sometimes there's things in here I have already tried, but I think this one has all things that I haven't already tried. So we'll see. Okay, this is the first thing I have in here, and it's just a small. This is from this is Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisture with Niacinamide and Vitamin C. It's just a deluxe size. I actually have the huge bottle of this. So it's a great product. It's a pricey product because it's a really good product. So anyway, there's that. So it's a small, great for travel or whatever. So there's that. The next thing I have in here is from glowrecipe, and it is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop Serum. So there we go. It's just small. Again, I like to take these on travel. I do love glowrecipe products. I have used these. So anyway, that is something I have used. So there's the second thing. The third thing I have in here is from Kulfi, and this is a full-size item. And this Kulfi is a new brand, and this is a new product also that they're carrying in Sephora. And I was really curious. I'm always looking for good brow products, and this one has the brush with the gel or whatever, but it also has kind of like a grooming. Look at this. It has that kind of brush and then the comb on the other side, so you can really you can fluff up or do whatever you want with your lashes. So I really wanted to try this. So I mean, this is one of the reasons. It's a full size, so it's one of the reasons why I did really like this. I was able to get that product, and I will probably see more of that brand. I just know it's kind of new. And so the Fenty Beauty is, let's see which one's the Fenty Beauty. This is called Fenty Skin. And it's a fat water hydrating milky toner. So it's a milky toner. I don't think I've used a milky toner. It looks kind of, I don't know if you can see, it's a really pretty bottle. Actually, it seems like there's quite a bit in here for a toner. So it says essence with hyaluronic acid and tamarind. So let's see. I still have some stuff on here from my last video. You take that off real quick. Anyway, so let's see. Just put a little bit on here. Just curious. Okay, it smells like a toner. It just comes on clear. Just kind of rubs on clear. So there's that. And this, like I said, is a clean me up kit. So I'm getting the theme here kind of. And then the next thing I have in here is from Tower 28. And it's another full-size item. It's a mascara. I have not tried their mascara. It's a lengthening plus volumizing, it says. Okay, so it's not my favorite. I don't really like these kind of brushes. I like more fluffy, but these are really good for lengthening. So anyway, and I like sometimes, I use two mascaras a lot of times, so I use a lengthening and a volumizing. So this I probably use for lengthening and then take a fuller one for volumizing. So anyway, that's another full-size item. So there's our two full-size ones. And then I've got Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumper Line Smoothing Gloss in Cherry Vanilla. And this is a full size. Okay, from Lawless. So anyway, this is really pretty. Look at that color. It's very pretty. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's got the kind of the doe foot that has the... I have a gloss on right now, but that I did in my last video, but I'm going to try this over it. Kind of has a, I think it might have a little bit of a like cherry smell or something. Okay, it's kind of cooling. I can feel it. It feels really good on. So again, it's the lip, it is a lip plumper. So it's not, I can feel it, but it's not very powerful. And it might be because I put it over a gloss. But anyway, I'm excited about that. That's real pretty. That's another full size. So my 3 full size items are pretty exciting. So the next thing I have is the No Limit Cream Bronzer and Contour Stick in Courage. This is, by LYS, and I have wanted to try their bronze sticks. Bronzer is like one of my favorite overall products, and this, I think it has a film over it, but I don't know how you get it off. It does, it has a film. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to get into it because we want to see what this is all about. So I wanted to try this. I love LYS beauty products too. And so this was kind of on my wish list to get. I had it on my wish list, but it came in here. So I can try it from here. And let's see. Oh, whoa, check that out. It's really dark. I like dark bronzers, so I'm going to be okay with it. I go to town with my bronzer, and you know, some people, if you're scared of it, if you're scared of bronzer or whatever, just a tip, just don't be afraid. You can always fix things. This, hopefully it's blendable. Most bronzers are really blendable. I went heavy on it because I didn't realize it was going to be so, yeah, it's really dark. So I don't know. Yeah, I put too much on. So I think just a little bit would work better. So I went full on. Let me try it. Let me just try to do a a little bit. Well, it's very dark. I'm going to try it. It might be good for, you know, when I get a little bit of color on my skin. But anyway, there it is. So I like the formula. It seems nice, but the color might be a little too much. We'll see. But anyway, I'm happy with that. Like I said, it was on one of my try. It says the color's Courage. It's neutral olive and undertone. Natural finish for tan skin. So yeah, it is for tan skin. So maybe good for summer. And then the last thing I have in here is from Merit. It's just their blush balm cream. And this is in Stockholm Baby Pink Mini. So there it is. It just has, I think the other one, I think the larger size looks the same. It just smaller, but it looks like you get quite a bit in here. So let's try that one. Okay, it's pretty blush. There's so many blushes out there I like. This one's really fun. It's real pretty. So there we go. So that's that. So we've got the Fenty Beauty, the Milk Toner. We've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Serum Drops. We got the Ole Hendrix Moisturizing Cream. Great product. We got the Tower 28 Full Size Mascara. Yay. We got the Kofi. I'm really excited to try this. This is the brow with the fun little brushes on it. So that's our next item. We got this is from Lawless. This was the Cherry Lip Plump. I love this. I love the color. It's really fun. So that's full size. So there's our 3 full size. And then we got the LYS. And this looks almost full size, honestly. But this is the bronzer. Hopefully I can make the color work for me. I'll definitely give it a try. So now that I used it, I own it. So anyway, there's that. So 9 items, 3 full size. I'm very happy with this. This was a fun one. I think my favorite kit was the vacay one, the everyday vacay. And so you might want to go check out. I'm not sure what order these are coming up in, but anyway, watch out for these to all come to hit, these 3 videos, along with my full Sephora haul, which was fun. And then I have another part 2 because I have some Sephora haul, some items I bought that are coming in the mail. So when I get those, I will share them. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I appreciate you guys being here so much. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you interested in this, or is it like, okay, I saw it, I don't need it? I don't know, just curious what you think. So let me know. I appreciate your support, and thank you for being here. We'll see you guys all in the next one. Okay, friends, bye-bye.